I'm going to show you how to create the tabular chart with the top 5 subcategory which made highest profit and in the tabular chart and in the bar chart. So first you need to drag your subcategory into the row shelf and your profit drag into this text. So we can just double click on the subcategory, then it will by default move in the row, and double click on the profit sales anyone, then it will by default move on the text. So now we can see we have a tabular chart. This is the tabular chart. So we can see we have a tabular information, one column showing the subcategory and this other one showing the profit against each subcategory. Okay, now we need to show top 5 subcategory which made highest profit. So for this you need to go in the subcategory drop down button symbol, and just first you have to sort your data. Sorting, click on sort button, and then descending, because we need top 5. So descending, and then click on the data source field, because we need to show top 5 category by profit. So we need to select profit sales from there. We have many columns here, so we have to select our profit, and sum aggregation is always on the sum average. You can select as per your requirement, so we need like sum here, and then just now we can see we have a highest profit on the top now, and the data is showing in descending order. So highest in the on the top and the lowest in the bottom. Now again you need to go into the subcategory, because we need to show top 5, and just click on the filter. So we have a 4 button here in filter. Click on the top, and we have a button by field. Just click on by field, and we can select top or 5 here. So what we want to show, top or 5, so top or bottom. So we need to show top, then select here top, and we can write the 5 because we need to show top 5, and we need to show profit by sum. So select here, already selected profit sum, and just click on the OK. Now we can see only top 5 subcategory in our view. Okay, so this is the way to show the top 5 category, subcategory, anything you want to show in tabular. Now we will go into the bar chart. So same way the same way we need to follow for the showing the top 5 in the bottom in the tabular or bar chart. Now this is the tabular, so you have to show in bar chart. Just click on the show me button, and just click on the bar chart from here. So click on this stack bar chart. Now we can see we have a bar chart like here. So top 5 bar charts showing here, and if you want to show like this is the horizontal bar chart, so you want to show in vertical, then just drag the row, just shift the row subcategory in the column and the profit in the row shelf, and you can just click on this button as well for this functionality. So this is the bar chart with the top 5, and you can see with the hover over subcategories copies and the profit 55,618. Same you can check here. So this is the way to create top 5 category, subcategory, anything you want in the bar chart and tabular chart. Thank you.